Hello, everyone. Well, two rounds of rain are going to be working over Wisconsin over the next 2 days, one caused by a warm front and the other caused by a cold front coming in right behind the warm front. So let's time it out for you and talk about when the best chance of seeing rain is going to be. Certainly not for the morning commute this morning, looking dry across the state, but already pretty thick cloud cover out there. I do think it's early afternoon where the rain is going to start to push in for the western part of the state. So places like Chippewa Falls, La Crosse, Winona, this is your opportunity at the rain beginning in the early afternoon. I do think through the lunchtime hour for Portage, Madison, Racine, Kenosha, it's still going to be dry. Now, in the afternoon, the winds are going to be picking up. Now, for the central and northern part of the state, I do think we can call it windy. Those gusts getting around 35 miles per hour. Across southern Wisconsin, we'll just call it a breezy day. Gusts are going to be more around 25 miles per hour. Let's jump ahead to the homebound commute time around 5 o'clock. Now, this is when the rain chance begins for Madison, Portage, Baraboo, Beaver Dam. Probably still dry for Racine, Kenosha. Probably still a dry homebound commute. High temperatures today. Probably reaching the upper 40s to low 50s across southern Wisconsin and mid to upper 40s a little bit farther to the north. Now notice I do have the thunderstorm icon in there because you see those shades of orange and red. Now I do think it's mostly going to be just regular rain showers, but I'm not ruling out a few thunderstorms popping up, not severe storms, but that is a possibility. So let's jump ahead to 8 o'clock, and actually this is probably the best opportunity in the early evening hours for seeing the more widespread showers and storms across the Madison, Racine, Kenosha area, Portage, Baraboo, but things starting to come to an end for places like La Crosse, Winona, and Chippewa Falls. And notice those shades of orange still showing up, so still an opportunity for thunderstorms, but by the time we get to 11 o'clock this evening, notice I'm not seeing those shades of orange anymore, it's just a few leftover showers, and I actually think we're going to dry out during the overnight hours. But wait, there's more. Let's take a look at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Now, for the morning commute tomorrow, once again, most are going to be dry. In fact, there could be some sun out across southern Wisconsin. But if you're in Chippewa Falls, we could be talking about a rain-snow mix. Could there be a little bit of snow coming down? Could there be a little bit of rain coming down? Or could there be both? Yes, that is a possibility. But again, I do think most are going to be dry. But this area of rain, this being caused by the cold front, is going to be moving to the south and east as we go through the day. I do think it gets hung up a little bit, so even around lunchtime, though the rain chance beginning for places like La Crosse and Winona, probably still dry for Baraboo, Portage, Beaver Dam, Racine, Kenosha. So a lot of places still dry around lunchtime, but for the homebound commute, once again, rain fills in. Now notice you're not seeing those shades of orange anymore. I do think it's just going to be scattered showers. The wind is going to be more of a story for southern Wisconsin, though, tomorrow. We'll just call it breezy for the northern part of the state. But as you go to the south, the winds, there's going to be a tight wind gradient. And it's going to go from gusts just around 25 miles per hour, probably around Wausau, Green Bay, to particularly around the Racine, Kenosha area. I'm not ruling out some gusts getting up to around 40 miles per hour, particularly in the mid to late afternoon. I do think it's going to be a little bit cooler in the northern part of the state because that cold front comes through earlier in the day. High temperatures are probably only going to top out low to mid 40s. Meanwhile, we'll probably still reach the upper 40s to low 50s in southern Wisconsin.